Today we're here to try this Borup, and it's under the sea candy cup. It has shark gummy candies and blue raspberry cotton candy. Top part has gummy shark. These are not just blue gummy shark. Let me try one of the gummy sharks first. So the gummy sharks are very chewy. Here's some of the cotton candy. It's supposed to be blue raspberry. Just tastes like generic cotton candy to me. I don't taste blue raspberry. And we try them together. We missed out on the Shark Week cookie they had at Crumble. So anyways, this is going to be our Shark Week thing. My daughter likes sharks, so this is for you, Megan. I think I'll give this an A. And we bought these at Big Lots. So I'm going to take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.